In 1 minute, I'll show how to accept payments on Wix using PayPal and Stripe. Open your Wix dashboard, then click Settings in the left-hand menu to begin. Select Payments to view payment providers, methods, and checkout settings. Under Accepted Payments, choose PayPal and press Connect to start the PayPal flow. Sign into your PayPal business account, review permissions, and authorize Wix access. Return to Wix, confirm the PayPal connection, and toggle PayPal on for checkout. Back in Payments, select Stripe from the provider's list to begin setup. Click Connect and follow Stripe's secure authorization and onboarding prompts. Provide your business details, banking info, and verify identity as requested by Stripe. After onboarding, enable Stripe in Wix and set it as an active payment option. Place a quick test order using a small charge or Stripe test mode to verify checkout. That's it, payments are enabled. Monitor transactions and publish your site changes.